Rewriting is a step of the writing process where you get to think about the focus of your topic. In other words, before you aim at writing your essay, you must think of what you will write about. Sometimes your professor will provide you with a topic, while other times you get to choose. Regardless, pre-writing must be done to narrow the focus of your essay. In this video, we will explore 4 techniques that can help you focus and narrow your topic. We will place these techniques under the umbrella of brainstorming techniques, as this is a ubiquitous term for pre-writing. These techniques are listing, clustering, free writing, and WH questions. It is important to note that WH questions is a strategy that can be used while using the other 3 previous brainstorming techniques, as it is useful to use WH questions to break down information when trying to narrow the focus of a topic. Let's begin with listing. Using the topic surviving a natural disaster, start with step 1 and narrow this topic to one disaster. Once you choose the type of disaster, move on to focusing the topic further into listing how you survived the natural disaster, how you prepare, what happened during and after the disaster, and then finally in step 3, break down your topic further into more specific details about each of the parts that you have listed on step 2. After breaking down the topic to the smallest details, you should have a very good idea where your topic is heading. Let's explore clustering with this topic. How different is to connect with people online and in person? Always making sure to use the topic to guide you. Here you can break the topics into pros and cons and continue breaking down the topic onto the smallest detail. Free writing is just what the name suggests. Again, always thinking about answering the question from your topic. During free writing, you write as much as you can about the topic. It's always a good idea to time yourself, write as much as you can, and avoid the temptation to edit. Once done, look over what you have written, find patterns, and continue to break down your topic until you have enough information to work with. Finally, WH questions are a great way to brainstorm a topic. WH questions are used as its own strategy or with other brainstorming techniques because asking questions help you break down your topic into a more focused theme, pattern, or idea. Take, for example, the topic, the impact of artificial intelligence on the job market. To break down this topic, you must ask, what is the impact of AI on the job market? Where is this happening? Who is this happening to? And why and how is AI impacting the job market? As with the other techniques, continue to break down your topic until you have a clear idea to where and how you want to proceed with your topic. Before attempting to write an essay, pre-writing must take place. This is an important step that should not be skipped, as it will help you narrow the focus of your essay and prepare you for the next step, outlining and creating a thesis statement.